I'm Matt Oliver with Oliver Custom Homes. We've been building homes in Austin for 24 years now. And for the last, I believe, 5 years, we've worked with CHS software. And it really has relieved my mind of where we stand financially, looking professional on cost-plus jobs, keeping up with accounting, mainly being accountable.
Hi, this is Mark Farmer. I'm a builder in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. We build mainly custom homes, but a few production homes. We've been using CHS for approximately 5 years.
Well, I should have done this quite a while ago when I first saw Carol's program, and just, you know, like most builders, you just kind of wait. You use something you've always used, and then finally we just had enough of what we were doing, and we went to it. And again, I should have done this a long time ago. I'm tremendously pleased and excited to be using it. My homeowners love it because it's so detailed. I use the allowance sheet to bring up all the allowances. I look a lot more professional. My logo's on the budget sheet, and you know, it's just been wonderful, and I'm so happy to have it. I should have done it a long time ago. Sorry, my name is John Simmering with John Simmering Custom Homes. I do homes, luxury homes, primarily in the Austin market, from $1 to $2 million.